Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can remove background of any pictures in Canva Pro application. So in this video I will show you how you can easily remove background of any pictures. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open your Canva application and here you can see plus options, click on it. And here you can select any size which you want to select, so click on it. For example, I want to select YouTube thumbnail, so you can select it according to you. So after selecting size, you will see the options of upload, click on it. So select the pictures on which you want to remove background. So for example, I want to remove background of these pictures, so I will click on it and then select the size. So after adjusting size, you will see the options of effect, so click on it. And here you can see different options because you want to remove background of these pictures, that's why click on bg remover. So here it will take some time, it depends upon your internet connections. So you can see my background on the pictures is removed very easily. So in this way you can remove background of any pictures. So keep in mind this function is only available in Canva Pro application. So if you don't have Canva Pro application, then you can contact us, we will give you in very cheapest price. So after removing the background, you can see the options of share, click on it. After that, click on download options. So here you can see file type, you can select it according to you. So after selecting file type, you can adjust the size. So after that, you will see the options of download, click on it. And in this way, this pictures is download in your gallery. So I will show you after downloading. It will take some time. So when I will open my gallery, you can see this picture is downloaded and the background is removed from these pictures. So in this way you can remove any background of any pictures. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.